Hello, what is up? So today I'm gonna blow dry my hair, do a blowout with this new product that I recently got. So this is Paul Mitchell's Super Skinny Serum. This is my favorite, and I just put it at the ends. I think the serum adds that shine and humidity protection that I really like. And I'm gonna take my handy dandy wet brush, and I start at the bottom of the ends of my hair and then brush up, just so I don't break hair, because hair is the most vulnerable when it is wet. Okay, so today I am doing a blowout on my hair. I haven't done one of these before. It's in this box. It's called the Pro Blow CurlME. Okay, the packaging is annoying. Let me take it out of... Unnecessary. Okay, this is the Pro Blow CurlME, and this comes with 2 ceramic mixed brush barrels, 6 clips, and 1 travel bag and a handle. So Pro Glow style guide. You pretty much just curl each strand of hair and let it set. Oh my gosh, there's so much plastic. So these are the brushes. I don't know how I feel about all that plastic. Okay, smaller sizes go on bottom, bigger sizes go on top. Here are the hair clips. Okay, so my floor is just a trash can. And these hold your hair over the things. And then here is the actual brush handle. I don't know if all of those will just cover everybody's hair. I think that if you have a lot of hair, you would definitely need more. So this is a travel bag. I think this has more brush heads in it. Yeah, 6 small ones. Oh geez. Okay, so this is a lot. If I'm gonna blow dry my hair, this is a lot. I already don't like blow drying my hair. But you guys love blowouts. So I'm gonna be completely candid here. I did get sent this stuff. This is not sponsored. This is a video that I've actually gotten a lot of requests to do this one and then the Revlon blow dryer brush in one. I don't know if I personally want to purchase that and do it, but let me know down in the comments below if you want me to. If you do, I will, and I'll let you know my thoughts on that. But for here, I'm just going to show you this, and I'm going to let you know my honest opinion about it. So I'm going to use my Croc blow dryer. This is the IC Premium. And if you want to use my code Chloe30, you can get 30% off. Now I'm going to go into this bag. I'm going to use the smallest brushes. I'm going to get myself a clip out, and we're going to start on this bottom section. So then I'm going to clip it and then pull this thing so it stays there. Next one. So this is kind of the idea that I was telling you guys about, where I'm like, if you blow dry your hair with a round brush, cool it down with the cool setting. This is pretty much what it's doing. So it is allowing my hair to cool down. So essentially you can just use a round brush, heat it up, and then cool it down with the cool setting on your blow dryer. Okay, I'm still gonna use these smaller ones because I have a lot of them. That's all 6 of those. So now I can toss that travel bag. Now I'm on to the bigger brush section. So let me figure out these bad boys. Okay, so there's like 2 sizes. You see that? This is the biggest one. So I'm gonna save these ones for the top. I have 3 of those. So next, I think these are the same size. They are the same size. So they gave me 6 of these, so I have 9 of these ones. I have a ton of hair. So if you have a ton of hair, I don't know how many of these I could like use. I would need a ton of them. I definitely don't think the original like 8 would be enough. All right, so there's that. I don't know how I feel about this. Okay, let me tell you this, honestly, what I'm thinking right now. These brushes, rolling them is like not like a regular round brush. I can't just like pull my hair out of it and then start over. It like kind of gets tangled. So I'm not a huge fan of that. Just my opinion. I'm running out. I have 4 left. How am I gonna get this done with 4 left? I have an idea. Take out the bottoms. Ooh, that's really curly. I don't know how I feel about that. Next section. This section needs like 3 on its own. I don't even think it'll fit into 2. I have so much hair. There's just so much of it. Okay, I have 4 more. These last 4, I'm gonna do all of them back. You know what I mean? Like create some volume here and then just do 4 back. So I'm gonna start with the back first. I'm sweating up a storm in here, guys. It's been 17 minutes of blow drying. It's definitely an arm workout. I'm not gonna lie about that. So if you wanna work out, buy this. Oh, so dumb. Okay. You're like a grandma with my bad back. Oh, silly. Silly me. All right, last 2 sections. Let's do these. Just put that little guy right there. See, my hair's just falling out of these things. Let's see. Okay, so for these long hair sections, if you have super long hair, I don't know how you would do this. I have no idea how you would, because look at my hair already falling out. Okay, clip it good. Okay, last section. I am so happy to be done with this thing. I can't tell you how happy I am to be done with this. I'm so tired of being a grandma. Let's roll. My little baby hairs are falling out of this. So many baby hairs falling out of these. Whew! Done. Okay, so I'm done. Okay, first off, this hairstyle, or whatever this is, I thought it would itch my head more. It doesn't. The pricks are very comfortable. They're not bad. Let's read the directions one more time. Leave barrels on to cool for 15 to 20 minutes. What? Are you serious? Okay, I'll be back. YouTube magic. Okay, I will have to say this. My head is itchy. My head is very itchy. I keep on doing this to my head, especially the top ones. They're really itchy. Okay, so let's take these out. I feel like my hair's pulling. Definitely pulling. Frizzy. A little frizzy. Probably didn't do that one long enough. Next one over here. Yeah, I definitely feel like it's pulling my hair a little bit. Again, frizzy. Oh, it has a kink in it. That's probably my bad again. Okay, that one wasn't that bad to take out. I'm just gonna, geez, I can't go fast. It's pulling my hair. I don't like that. I don't like things that could cause damage. Okay, that one was easy to take out. Whew. That one was also easy to take out. Wow. I'm kind of nervous to see what this is gonna look like. Ow. This is gonna be crazy. This is gonna be crazy. Really? Really? Well, I will have to say, you have body, right? If you're missing out on body, look no further. Oh my gosh, my head itches so bad up here. Ow. Okay, I just can't wait to scratch my head. Okay, the top ones didn't, oh, hold on. No, I don't like this. What? Oh my gosh, what? Okay. Let's brush this out a little bit. No, 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 no. Let's just have it all flip out. Why not? Okay. Is this why when like in the 50s, everybody had like poofed out hair like this? Like, hi. I could see, oh, good Lord. I feel like a housewife from the 50s. I personally, I'm not a fan. I don't even think I can like salvage this. What can I do? I think this is the first time I've ever been like stumped. Like I feel like I don't have words. I'm like, okay, first off, it gave you great body, but like it's kind of, my hair's kind of heavy. Like where did the body go? At the top at least. Okay. So there's some of it back. But what is this? I think my hair is a weird length, okay? I think if your hair was longer, it'd be like pretty flowy and perfect. I think if your hair was shorter, it would be a great blowout because it'd be like a pixie blowout and that's great. That's easy to manage, but this? What is this? Hold on, I'm gonna try to fix this. So we're gonna add that body back in the bangs. Then we're going to add one of these clips here. And now I feel like I need to go hang out with my girl Rachel McAdams in The Notebook. Like, right? I feel like this was her hair at some point. I'm going to pass on this one. Personally, it just didn't work for me. Probably could have done it better. Probably would have helped if my hair was longer or shorter. Well, I gave it a try and let you guys know my thoughts. I hope this is like the first product review I've done. I mean, most of the time it's like one thing of like makeup or something, or I mostly show you guys things that I love, and I kind of feel weird putting out this video of something I'm not in love with. But at least you guys know, and now you know. We can move on from this video. Okay, have a great day. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. I need to go dancing now.